Welcome to this lesson of today. The topic of today is Introduction to Biology from one topic, and I'm your teacher Masika Michael, a teacher of biology. Welcome. I hope you are going to enjoy this lesson. Before I go to the main content, I urge you first of all to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just press that red button so that you subscribe, and then turn on the notification button so that you can get notified when I upload another video. Then like and share this video to your friends so that they can get a grasp of the content that has been posted here, for them to master it and excel in this subject of biology, a very important topic. I'm going to start by the definition of biology. And biology is a branch of science that deals with the study of living things. The term biology is derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning knowledge. Then we have branches of biology. I'll start with the major branches of biology. The first one is zoology, which is the branch of biology dealing with the scientific study of animals. Then botany, branch of biology that deals with the scientific study of plant life. Biotechnology is the branch of biology that deals with the development of techniques for application of biological processes. Then other branches of biology include ecology, which is the scientific study of interrelationships between organisms and their environment. Mycology is the scientific study of fungi. Then genetics is the scientific study of inheritance and variation. Then we also have entomology, which is the scientific study of insects. Ichthyology, which is the scientific study of fishes. Parasitology, the scientific study of parasites. Anatomy, the scientific study of internal structure of organisms. The other branch of biology is physiology, which is the scientific study of functions of various structures in an organism. Then morphology, which is the scientific study of the external structure of living organisms. Microbiology, the scientific study of microorganisms. Then we have bacteriology, which is the study of bacteria. Biochemistry, which is the scientific study of the chemistry of materials. Ornithology, the scientific study of birds. Cytology, the scientific study of cells. Then we also have embryology, the scientific study of development of embryos of animals from egg to adult. Virology, the study of viruses. Histology, the scientific study of the structure of tissues. Taxonomy, the science of classification. Then, what is the importance of studying biology? Biological knowledge is applied in solving environmental problems like food shortage, poor health services, pollution, and environmental degradation. It can also grant one entry into careers like medicine, veterinary medicine, horticulture, among others. Then, biological knowledge also enables one to understand the development stages of a human being. It's also useful in enhancing international cooperation. It leads to development of scientific skills like identifying, recording, classifying, evaluating, analyzing, and measuring. Then, characteristics of living things. The first one is nutrition, which is the process by which living things obtain and assimilate nutrients. Excretion, the process by which living things separate and eliminate metabolic waste from body cells. Then we have movement and locomotion. Movement refers to change in position by part or the whole organism. Movement in plants includes folding of leaves, closing of flowers, and growing of shoots towards light. The change in position of an entire organism is called locomotion. Another characteristic of living thing is respiration, which is the process by which food substances are chemically broken down in body cells to release energy. During respiration, oxygen is used while carbon dioxide is released and water are released. The energy released drives all the body functions. The next characteristic is gaseous exchange, which is the process by which living things exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide across respiratory surfaces. Another one is reproduction, and this is the process by which living things give rise to new individuals of the same kind. The next characteristic is growth and development. Growth is the irreversible increase in size and mass of an organism. Development is the irreversible change in the complexity of the structure of living things. Growth and development enable living things to attain maximum size that can enable them to perform their functions. Next, we have irritability or sensitivity, and this is the ability of living things to perceive or detect changes in the environment and respond to them appropriately. Irritability enables organisms to escape harmful stimuli and also obtain resources from the environment. Then we have apparatus. I'll take you through apparatus used for collection of specimens. The first one is sweep net, which is used for catching flying insects. Bait trap. This is for catching and trapping small animals like rats and mice. The other apparatus is the pitfall trap, which is used for catching crawling animals like millipedes. The other one is the putter, which is used for sucking small animals like ants and termites from rock surfaces and barks of trees. Specimen bottles are used for keeping collected specimens. Then we also have pair of forceps, which is used for picking small stinging animals and plants. Then hand lens is used to enlarge objects. It is used in examination of the external features of collected specimens. Then the precautions taken into consideration when observing and collecting specimens. The first one, collect only the number of specimens needed to avoid wastage. Then do not destroy the natural habitat of the specimen. Another precaution that should be taken into account during collection of specimen is that do not harm the specimen during the collection. Then return live specimen to their habitats whenever possible to maintain ecological balance. Handle dangerous animals with care. Then immobilize highly mobile animals with suitable chemicals. Then let's look at the comparison between plants and animals. One, animals have specialized accessory organs but plants don't. And in plants, growth occurs in meristematic tissues only, but in animals it occurs all over the body. Plants do not move about, while animals move about in search of food and mates. Then plants respond slowly to changes in the environment while animals respond quickly. Most plants have chlorophyll that enables them to make their own food, while animals lack chlorophyll, hence they feed on already made food. So this is the end of this topic. That is introduction to biology, and Don't just stop there. After having gone through this, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video so that your friends can also learn, and also turn on the notification button so that when I give a presentation on the next